Welcome back to Congruence and Similarity problem session. Let's look at our first question. The views and dimensions of the nesting table consisting of three triangular pieces are given below. Which of the following may be the top view of these tables, whose upper surfaces are similar triangles nested with the same angles facing the same direction? What does the phrase of the same angles facing the same direction means? Does it remind you of anything? Remember, we said that while notating similar and congruent polygons, corresponding corners must be in order. We notate the similar polygons in a way that congruent angles correspond with each other. In this question, we don't know which angles are congruent. Then we should look at the side lengths. As you can remember from the topic of triangles, the larger the angle across the side, the larger the side. So, we can match the sides with angles and we arrange the triangles according to their sides. Smallest sides correspond with smallest sides and biggest sides corresponds with biggest sides. So the answer is D. Let's see the notation by giving the corners letters. Please check the notation. In this example, we have seen the importance of expressing the similarity in a correct way. If we hadn't paid attention to this, we wouldn't have been able to properly intertwine the tables. Let's look at the other question. Below is an image of a photo taken while the smartphone is in a vertical position and an image of the same photo when the phone is in a horizontal position. Accordingly, which of the following is the similarity ratio between the triangular pedestrian crossing sides in the photograph? When we subtract the 7 millimeters of gap from the total length, we can see that the long size of the screen is 100 millimeters. And again, we subtract the 7 millimeters of gap from total width, we can see that width of screen is 60 millimeters. And in the second picture, we found that this length is 100 millimeters. When subtracting 2 of 32 millimeters, we can see that width of small photograph is 36 millimeters. And we already found the length of this side, which is the width of the screen, and it's 60 millimeters. When we rate the corresponding sides and simplify it, we can say that the ratio is common, and it's 3/5. Do not forget that the reduction rate of the photo applies to all objects in the photo. So, the similarity ratio between the triangular pedestrian crossing sides in the photograph is 3/5. In this particular example, you can see that the view of photographs or videos are not damaged when we tilt the screen, as in the butterfly example. This is because of the common similarity ratios that corresponding sides have. PS session ends here. Thank you for your attention.